Hi guys, Paul.
I'm Ryan.
Here we are at the Josiah Hess covered bridge in Forks, Pennsylvania, outside of Benton, and we are going to go check it out. This is built in 1875. It's 110 feet long, and it cost $13.49 of the American dollars to build by a Joseph Redline. Built that, and the Hess family operated a nearby sawmill. So there you go. Now it's owned by the Columbia County Covered Bridge Association. So let's go check it out. All right. You can drive down here, but we parked up on the road. Fresh snow. Actually, a snowstorm right now too. It just stopped snowing. We just came over Jonestown Mountain from Berwick, and we're enjoying a country drive. We actually just hit Berwick Brewing Company too. Got some nice brews to come home with us. Oh, this is nice wreath. And this is Huntington Creek that flows underneath the structure. This was dedicated and put into the system for the Columbia County Association in 2005. Rocks. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what this says.
Warning.
Warning. Whoever willfully or maliciously sets fire to a covered bridge is guilty of the felony of arson. So just don't do that, guys. We actually just came from a place that was burnt, and it wasn't a bridge, but it was still not so good. So yeah, please don't burn covered bridges or have, decorative campfires on covered bridges that might cause it to burn, those things. But you already know that. You guys who watch our channel are considerate and cultured, and you would never do that
You would never have a decorative campfire.
on a covered bridge. I don't know what romantic candlelight dinners are on covered bridges. I think they're frowned upon too, but oh, look at this. Look at that one.
It's of the bridge.
Of the bridge. That's a nice painting. Damn. That's pretty good. This is like the twin bridges that are up the road a while. They have some really nice painted picnic benches as well. Beautiful. And the Huntington Creek is the one that flows through Jonestown, Pennsylvania. Oh, here's the info. Here it is. Let's confirmate the info. There it is. And 50 cents. We should put a sticker down there. I don't have any on me, though.
But we will sign.
We will sign.
What is today?
Today is the 17th.
Someone was already here.
On the 17th of the Febs.
Yep.
Signed it up. Oops, sorry. I'm shaking you guys all around. Awesome. Oh,
They were here at 12 o'clock.
just a little bit, 2 hours ago or something. And here's some Monet into the donation fund. Pop, pop, pop.
What time is it?
It is, I have no idea.
We're going to say
About 2:30.
2:30 p.m.
There he goes. That's it. Paul and Ryan. PA Outdoors couple. Lovely bridge. Look at this one. Oh, super cool. Love the
Those
trees.
leaves.
Yeah, look at the leaves. Oh. What a very nice bridge. And it's shielding the wind, so me not wearing a coat is working out just fine.
Grass.
Oh, grass. There is Forks Farms down this way. They probably have access to the bridge on this side. There is somebody came down that way. So that's there. So that's private property, but you come this way. Ah, yes. I know why they did this, to get the nice picture. Just to get the nice picture like I'm going to do. Let's back up a bit. Boom! Perfect. There's the thumbnail. Ryan, wave. Boom, perfect. Beautiful bridge. Beautiful bridge with a beautiful woman on a beautiful day. Life's beautiful. And I like snow, so that's even better. All right, let's walk through again. Marge can't drive through. That's sad, but we'll tell her all about it. And then we're gonna go home and try to make some English style fried pub fish. There she's up on the road. Kind of see her. It blends in really well. Okay. Let's get past these rocks and we'll tell you goodbyes. Well, here we are, and there's the beautiful bridge. Whoa, whoa, what am I doing? There it is. Yep.
Yeah, it's covered by a wreath.
That's okay. So, another beautiful bridge in Pennsylvania. We're in Columbia County, so definitely check it out. There's probably between 9 and 12 different covered bridges in Columbia County, all worth checking out. And until next time, this has been Paul.
I'm Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.